Good morning. My name is Kenil Rajaguru. I am teaching you English subject. So let's start. So till now we have seen till Unit 3, Activity 4. Today we will start with Activity 5. So Activity 5 A. Now let's read another poem on the planets of the solar system. Planets. I know the planets one by one, starting with the one that's closest to the Sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the first four among the stars. So the first planet from the Sun is Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, and fourth Mars, which are the first four among the stars. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are the next planets in the tune. So the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the next four planets. Afterwards, the Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Neptune is the farthest one from the Sun. I know the planets one by one. So the Neptune is the farthest from the Sun, and it is the last planet among those 8 planets. Now, fact about the Earth. Earth is small, rocky planet which supports a variety of life. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is the fifth largest of the 8 planets. So the Earth is small, rocky planet and which supports variety of life. There are life in the Earth which is not there in the other 7 planets. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. The first two are the Mercury and Venus. And Earth is the fifth largest planet among the 8 planets. Activity 6. Read the following story. The Ant and the Dove. On his way home, an ant saw a sparkling fountain. He crawled onto its wall to take a closer look. Suddenly he slipped and fell into the water. He gurgled and panicked and waved his leg in the air. "Help! I can't swim!" he cried. So this is the story about the ant and the dove. Dove means pigeon. Its other name is the dove. So on the way to the home, the ant suddenly slipped in the fountain of the water. He was panicked and he waved his leg in the air and cried out, "Help! I can't swim!" he cried. Luckily, at just that moment, a friendly dove flew by. She saw that the tiny ant was drowning and quick flew to a nearby tree. So the ant was crying. He was shouting that, "Help! I can't swim!" he cried, but luckily there was a dove nearby. He heard his crying. So she quickly moved to the nearby tree. She pulled off a leaf and let it glide down to the ant. "Here you are," she cawed and flew away. So the dove pulled out the leaves from the tree and threw it towards the ant. And this is how she helped the ant. Rewrite this story. Imagine you are the ant and you are telling this story. Okay? Activity 7. Read the following sentences. Carefully and according to their size, arrange the planet from the largest to the smallest. The Mercury is the smallest of all 8 planets. The Jupiter is the biggest of all. Venus is the 6th in size. Earth is the 5th. Uranus is bigger than Neptune. The Mars is smaller than Venus. So here their kind of a puzzle is given. You have to arrange according to their size. I will share the PDF for the same, okay? But you have to try it yourself first. So we will keep it till here. Tomorrow, in the next lecture, we will start with the activity 8. Okay. Thank you.